Hello friends, good morning, good afternoon. In this session, we are going to see how to how to uninstall MySQL. So before going into the detail, let's see service of the MySQL. Means in the services, you have to search MySQL 80. If there is a 5.0 version, then there is a 50, and if 8.0 is the version, then you can see MySQL 80 is the service of the MySQL server. And next thing, first of all, we see in the service and workbench tool means it is the client tool, correct? With the help of that, we can connect to the MySQL server. So here is the local instance. So and you can see startup shutdown of the MySQL. So you could do stop server first and then uninstall it, correct? And after that there is a data. It contains the database files, like let's say I created in MySQL, I created the test database, correct? And there is a Sakila, so or Word. So these are the databases, and in that we can call it as a schema as well. And one more thing, where is that data is located? Yeah, on C colon program files MySQL Server 8.0 and data. Instead of 80, you can mention the 5.0 if we have a earlier version. And there is a data folder, so you will get the list of folders at here test sys sakila. So based on that you will get the data files, so you have to take the backup of it first and then you could delete it. And next thing, yeah, either in a SQL file you can take the backup, or from that folder you can take the backup. Yeah. And yeah, so let's see how to uninstall the MySQL, take the backup. Yeah, this process you have to follow. And after that, server and other tools, it means MySQL is the server, and server service name is MySQL 80, correct? We have to stop it. And other tools, MySQL workbench, SQL router. So there are different services, uh, different tools as well, so you have to uninstall it. It is your choice. Means you can do uh, uh, means on your choice, like the suppose you have to uh, means keep MySQL workbench as it is, then you can uh, means you can keep as it is, there is nothing change, correct? First of all, I right now I am going to uninstall complete MySQL from the computer. Okay, let's see. And first of all, I will stop the service. So how to stop it? Yeah, stop server. And here you will get this pop-up. Yes, you could stop it. And refresh it. Yeah, it is stopping right now. And if you see, go to the services and MySQL. So yeah, it is in a running mode, but in a few seconds it will be a stop. Right now it is in the progress, correct? So we have to wait for some seconds. In the background, it will check, yeah, what are the different uses of the database and all the things. And based on that, it will stop. Yes, in the few seconds you will see this dashboard, like means server status is stopped. And you can do from alternate way, like from services and you have to search services and MySQL 80. So yeah, this is the from right click on it and start, stop, pause. You can do it. Correct? Yeah, you have to stop it. And right now I'm closing the MySQL workbench. And yeah, from control panel you can do uninstall. There are some tools, MySQL router, connector, ODBC 8. This is the actual MySQL 8.0. So you have to uninstall one by one. And I'm giving you the another option as well, like from uh, folder means there is a installer means from that installer you installed it. Correct? So this is the installer will launch and yeah, MySQL installer 1.6, and so this window will show. Correct? So you have to click it and just remove it. That's it. So it will clear you means what is the path and where the installation path of that particular means suppose there is a where is that MySQL actual server exe is located. So you will get complete path of that. Okay, and right now what I will do, the simplest method is for from control panel we can do installation one by one. Click on it and yes, you will get pop-up at here and yes, uninstall. Yes, yes. Yeah, it will take 2 seconds because it is the server, na? That's why. Rest of the MySQL services having the less memory consumed, but this is the server having a high memory, 525 MB. Okay, it's uninstalled. Yeah, 269 MB. So it will be a very low. Then workbench tool. It is a client tool. Correct? Means with the help of that we can connect to the MySQL server. Yes, the pop-up is on another screen. Okay, uninstall. Yeah, it is uninstalled. Shell. Yeah. Yeah, next one is my SQL installer community. Uninstall it. You will get a pop-up. Yeah. Then SQL connector. Yeah. Thing is first of all check the below folders means or and delete it. Correct. So y- means either this way control panel or using installer you can do uninstallation, and third one is the delete folder means final step. So one by one we can see program data. Okay, this is the MySQL workbench. So you could do shift delete it, continue. Yeah, next one is the my means program files. It's x86 contain the MySQL folder. So copy pad that and go to the here. So it will show nothing, correct? So because we already deleted using the uninstallation. And yes, actually I checked it program data miss yes, and there is a nothing folder. If folder is present, then just select it and shift delete it. And last one is the means here you have to show means you have to enter your username. First of all, what I will do, Romanian. Yeah, before few seconds I deleted that MySQL folder and means that select the particular MySQL folder and shift delete it. Yeah, that's it. And last one is the restart the PC. Means it is completely uninstalled from your machine. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like it, please share it and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.